We're back!
Woo!
Are you ready for this?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
How about now?
Now?
No?
Hmm?
Yes?
I don't think so.
I don't think they're ready for this awesomeness.
Awesome mysticalness.
Yeah, good word usage. That was a 5. Be jealous. Not 4. 5. Count them. 5.
1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Dude, our pimp shades and the counting skills, we are the coolest chicks alive. Not living. Alive.
Alive.
Indeed.
Faux show.
So, you know, last year I was in Canada, and this year, she's here with me in USA. Not going to say where because that's sketchy. And all you sketch bags are going to stalk me, so, you know, that's bad.
B-A-D bad.
Ooh, good spelling.
Oh yeah.
Indeed.
Indeed.
So, are you going to watch our videos?
You should.
Yeah. Yeah, good job. Good answer. Woo! Do it. Watch.
Oh yeah.
Get ready. Here we come. Be afraid.